Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Charla's equipment from Nevada, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now we want to run through a little bit about the issue that this lamp is having. It basically is clicking when you turn the lamp on, so it's not working properly, and the gears are stripping, so they click, and we want to troubleshoot the gear cluster pack for this unit, and we want to make our repairs. We want to get a start on this unit. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated goofy lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with a repair of this really cool animated goofy lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that there is a main power switch at the back of the base of Goofy, and you always want to turn that main power switch in the off position when plugging in or unplugging the electrical cord to an outlet. It's just a good idea to use that main power switch. We also want to mention that you want to try to never restrict the movement of this animated goofy lamp. These type of lamps will strip out the gear cluster pack if you stop the arms from moving during the animation, or if the lamp was to take a fall off a table or get knocked over. It can cause a lot of problems, and the gear cluster pack would need to be repaired. We have the unit plugged in to the electrical outlet, and we want to reach around and turn the main power switch in the on position. Now what we want to do is go ahead and turn the lamp on.
Well, that's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
We're going to go ahead and wait a second. It's not a good idea to turn this type of lamp on and off too quickly. The electronics associated with the design of the lamp is pretty delicate, and so you want to always give it a little bit before you turn it off and on. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Well, who turned out the light?
And we'll give that a second. We'll turn the unit back on.
Hello? Hello?
Goofy has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Oh, where'd you go?
We'll give that a second. Turn the unit back on.
Yep, things are looking brighter already.
We'll turn the unit off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
And we'll turn the unit on one last time.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is. Yep.
Now that we know that this really cool animated goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Charlotte and they can enjoy Goofy once again. I'm sure he's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.